Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. We do first the derivative in the both sides. We see that on numerator you got about x plus 3. On this one you got about 2x plus 6. So we need to divide both sides with number 2. So this one we change for u. This one we change for du over 2. So we got about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u. About u, that's about this one. For the next one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to the square root. We put the square in the both sides because we still have x to the power of 2. So we put negative number 1 on the left and then we divide both sides with number 3. Later that we do first the derivative of this one. Later that we divide both sides with number 3. The square root we change for u. This one we change for this one. And the x we change for this one. Two over 3 we put outside. U with u, you got about u square. Next, we need to expand this one. Number 2 we change for 18 over 9. Minus 1 you got about 17. And we change the sign of this one. Number 9 multiply with number 3, you got about 2 over 27. U square multiply this one, and this one. And we got the final answer. About you, that's it about this one. Now let's go to the next one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. S to the power of 3, you got about s multiplied with s squared. Later that, we have s squared in here, so we put this one on the left, u on the right. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides with number 2. So this one we change for u. S squared we change for 1 minus u. S ds we change for negative du over 2. This one multiply with number 1 and u. And now we got the final answer. This one you got about 5 over 2. 7 over 2. About u, that's about this one. About the next one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to the square root. We put the square in the both sides. Later that, we have s, so we put this one on the left, u square on the right. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change for u. S we change for 3 minus u squared. ds we change for negative 2u du. U with u, you got about u squared. This one you got about 6 minus 2u squared. 6 minus 1 you got about 5. This one you got about 5u squared. U to the power of number 4. This one you got about 5u to the power of 3 over 3 minus 2u to the power of 5 over 5. About u, that's about this one. Now let's go to the last one. We need to use about substitution. U equals to this one. We put the power 4 for the both sides. Because we have s, we put number 2 on the left. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change for u. S we change for this one. The S we change for this one. Number 4 we put outside. U to the power of 3 divided by u. You got about u squared. This one multiply with u to the power of 4 and number 2. And we got the final answer. U we change for this one. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.